Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Google Shopping ads using smart bidding changes. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To restore Google Shopping ads after making changes to smart bidding, start by logging into your Google Ads account. Navigate to the Campaigns tab. Select the campaign associated with your Google Shopping ads. Click on the Settings option in the left-hand menu. Look for the bidding section within the campaign settings. Review the current smart bidding strategy in use. If needed, switch back to a manual bidding strategy or a different smart bidding option. Make sure your budget settings are aligned with your goals. Check for any paused ads or ad groups in the campaign. Reactivate any paused elements that are crucial for your ads. Go to the Products section to ensure your inventory is active. Verify that your product feed is up to date and without errors. Next, review the targeting settings to confirm they align with your objectives. Adjust any targeting settings that may have restricted ad visibility. After making your changes, navigate to the Overview tab. Monitor the performance metrics for any signs of improvement. Consider setting up rules to automate performance checks in the future. Lastly, regularly revisit your smart bidding strategy based on campaign performance. With these steps, you can effectively restore and optimize your Google Shopping ads. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.